how to share Instagram Reel to Facebook. Now, all we have to do if we want to share an Instagram Reel of someone else to Facebook is to go to our Instagram app right here. Now, we just have to go to our Reel section right here. Now, if we want to share someone else's Instagram Reel, all we have to do is to tap on this airplane button right here and click on Facebook option that is given to us right here. After that, we are redirected to our Facebook feed, and now we can write something as a caption to that specific Instagram Reel. Let's say right there. You can also tag someone. We can add whatever we are feeling right now, or we can also add the location of that specific reel. Now, the last thing we have to do is to tap on post right here. And if we go to our Facebook account, we'll be able to see that this has been shared to our Facebook. So that's how to share Instagram Reel to Facebook. Hope to help.